please.
Which was expected to promote business excellence by providing a set of criteria for assessment based on the same principles. Table conference, where representatives of the trade union,
the Honourable Minister for Employment, Productivity and Industrial Relations, the Honourable John Zumate, Honourable Members of Parliament, Ministers, the Secretary, the Secretary General of the Asian Productivity Organization, Dr. Santi Konrote, the Excellencies, High Commissioners and Ambassadors, the Vice Chancellor of the Fiji National University, Professor Nigel Healy, our Ambassador to the United Arab Emirates, Ambassador Konrote, the members of the FNU Council, members of the Fiji Businesss Excellence Awards, panel of review, the Director of National Training and Productivity Center, Dr. Ismaili, thank you, the leaders and executives from the public and private organizations, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Istanbul, a very good evening to you all. I'm deeply honored to be here this evening and to launch the 20th anniversary logo for the Fiji Businesss Excellence Awards. I also extend a very special welcome to the Secretary General of the Asian Productivity Organization, Dr. Santi. I sincerely hope that despite your busy schedule, you will be able to take time within the next day or two to enjoy our country and experience our world-renowned Fijian hospitality facility. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a significant year for Fiji in the history of the Fiji Businesss Excellence Awards, and I'm extremely delighted to be part of this event. The Fiji Quality Awards was launched in 1998, as we've heard, by the President of Fiji, the late Ret'd Samara. It was later rebranded as the Fiji Businesss Excellence Awards in 2004, and this year marks 2 decades of this journey. The Fiji Businesss Excellence Awards framework is similar to the Malcolm Baldrige framework in the United States of America and has empowered organizations to accomplish their missions, improve results, and become more competitive. The Office of the President has been proud of its association with the Fiji Businesss Excellence Awards since its inception in 1998, and all serving presidents and heads of states have always supported the initiative and have always graced the awards night of this prestigious event in Fiji's national calendar. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji is fortunate to have been a member of the Asian Productivity Organization since 1984, as we heard from the guest speaker, and the Government of Fiji acknowledges the APO's contribution to the socio-economic development of the Asia-Pacific region through the promotion of productivity. Fiji is one of the current members of this august body, which comprises about 20 other countries. For over 34 years, again, as we heard, Fiji has received a great deal of support from the APO, including training and development in many areas that have helped raise the performance managers, technicians, and CEOs alike in both the private and the public sectors. And thanks to the APO's strong role in building the capacity of our own National Productivity Organization, we Fijians have advanced our own efforts to be more productive and efficient, to encourage better management, and to stay abreast of the changes that affect the world's economy today. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to acknowledge all the organizations that have embraced the Fiji Businesss Excellence Framework and have been recognized at the various levels of the awards over the past 19 years. It takes a national commitment to build a nation, and improving national productivity is no different. All of us, producers, retailers, wholesalers, government officials, labor, the financial community, the business community, employee organizations, the education sector, trade unions, and consumers have to be fully engaged in this effort. And all nations, irrespective of size, location, and endowments, share the dream of creating more wealth and improving the socio-economic conditions of their people. By striving for self-improvement and recognition, any business that applies to these awards is a winner. By striving for growth and success, you are bettering not only yourselves and your businesses, you are bettering Fiji as a whole. Ladies and gentlemen, I congratulate the National Training and Productivity Centre, Dr. Smelly, and staff, on its milestone achievement in reaching the 20th year of the Fiji Businesss Excellence Awards. Being able to effectively and efficiently sustain the FBEA process is an achievement in itself. And I would like to acknowledge the Awards Secretariat for their untiring efforts in effectively managing the awards process. Well done. Luck. On the same note, I'd like to acknowledge the support and contributions from the panel of review members who continue to add value to the process. I also wish the stakeholders of the Fiji Businesss Excellence Awards all the best in your business excellence journey, and encourage other organizations to come on board and be part of this effort in nation building. Let us all work together to make a difference to our country and to create a strong economic platform for growth here in Fiji. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in congratulating the National Training and Productivity Centre on this milestone achievement today. Tavale. Ladies and gentlemen, to commemorate the 20th anniversary of the Fiji Businesss Excellence Awards, I'm honored to launch the new logo this evening. I'm advised that the new logo portrays a new rounded shape on the edge of the FBA logo, and this circle sends a positive emotional message of harmony and protection. The symbol on the circle is used in the logo to represent unity, commitment, love of community, and it also shows that it is a never-ending journey. The goal represents a new era and a new dimension of innovation and excellence. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is now my pleasure to launch the new Fiji Businesss Excellence Award logo, and in the process start the celebrations for the 20th anniversary of FBEA. Thank you. May Almighty God continue to bless our nation. Tavale.
Thank you very much.
What else? Thank you.
Even Iran tried to emulate that.